Okay guys, listen, new order, huh? Okay, table 3, 1 olio, 1 baked rice, 1 soto, 1 nasi kerabu.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Benny et je suis l'exécutif chef du café chef Wan Malaisie. D'accord. Alors, je vous prends cette opportunité pour faire une introduction de le café chef Wan, le 4e outlet. Voici, je suis à la Setia City Mall. Ça, c'est notre 4e café chef Wan. Hein. Alors, nous avons Melawati, TTDI, Melaka et maintenant Setia City Mall. Et à bientôt, février l'année prochaine, c'est IOI Putrajaya. So, je vous prends cette occasion de faire un peu l'introduction de la menu. Okay? C'est le travelogue de Chef Wan, meaning that the travelogue of Chef Wan. The cuisine of his experience all over the world. So, a bit of introduction. We have some Malay, Italian, French, Western kind of cuisine in our menu. So, the most popular dishes recommended to the customers is our chuchurudang. Okay, a very crispy layer of fritter accompanied by our peanut salt. It is a boom for everybody. C'est exceptionnel, Messieurs, Dames. Café Chef Wan is offering all our in-house French pastries and savory, or we call it in French, la viennoiserie et la pâtisserie. So everything is homemade. We have our pastry chef, we have our imported ingredients. Our butter is from France, our fresh fruits are from Australia, and we have all these kind of ingredients that we combine it to offer you good pastries. So from the classic eclairs, tartlets, pies, and all these Paris breads, you can get it at Café Chef Wan. So what we do is we use really pure, unique products to make our pastry. Look at it, I can even tell you what is our best seller because everything is selling. Judge our pastries and you will know by the first taste of the mouth. Bye.